Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to share this new feature with you, which I really like. You can see now straight from your WordPress dashboard and per page the speed score measured by GTmetrix. This will save us so lot of time with going back and forth with GTmetrix. Now let me show you how this works from the start. Of course, you first need the best caching plugin in the world, in my opinion, by miles, still for years now. WP Rocket. If you don't have it yet and you want to support me, I will be forever grateful if you use this link, wp.discount/cash. This link is also in the description of this video and in the comments, and by that you show your support to me, so that's really awesome. With these licenses, of course, the more websites you get, the lower the price per website. So if you're an agency, just go with the amount of websites that you want to have. Then you press on Buy WP Rocket. Then over here we fill in all our information, pay with credit card or PayPal, and click over here on Place Order. Then you are logged into WP Rocket and we click over here on Download. Yo bro, I can't see this infinite license anymore, where did it go? Way before I had a YouTube channel, I bought this license for all my clients. They are still using it right now because it works the best. I've tried all caching plugins. I've even created tutorials about all the others. And trust me, WP Rocket is still the best. Yes, it's premium, but that's why you get all this premium stuff. And it works. Then go to your WordPress website and add the plugin we have just downloaded from WP Rocket. Install it on your WordPress website and don't forget to press Activate Now. Then on the right side you can see Rocket Insights scores is tracking one page. If you go over here to Rocket Insights, you can see we can unlock our true site's performance. Now don't worry, you can track up to 3 pages completely free within WP Rocket. But most mission critical websites need more pages to be tracked, so you can do that over here for $5 a month right now with the launch offer. This is going away, so make sure to do that if you want this. If we then scroll down, we can see we have tracked one page, the home page is still being analyzed, and you can add in more pages. For example, this is an e-commerce website, so what do I want to monitor? Of course my home page, but also my shopping page catalog where all my products are at. That will be this page. If you're interested in building this entire e-commerce website, make sure to check out this tutorial of mine, and I'll show you step by step and learn your new skill, how to create e-commerce websites with Elementor Pro and WooCommerce. Really amazing. So I'm going to enter the page in elementortutorial.website/shop. Going to add this page. And also the most important one is of course the contact page. So I'm going to paste that in also over here and press Add Page. Beautiful, there we go. Now we're going to let the test run. And after some time, these are the results without optimizing WP Rocket in any way. So just out of the box. Now, there is still a lot of improvement available, of course, but how do you know what to improve? Of course, we first have to enable all the options of WP Rocket, test it out. I'll show you that in a different tutorial, but with the Rocket Insights, you can also go over here to retest it and see the report. Now, these reports are super useful. Let's take this Contact Us page we have created and click on See Report. Then we can see in GTmetrix where the problems occur and how to fix them. The largest contentful paint over there is a problem. So I'm going to show you how we can fix that first, but also when we scroll down, we can see avoid multiple page redirects because the time to first byte, this is this one, takes 1.2 seconds. That's way too long. As I'm using fast hosting, there seems to be another problem. Avoid multiple page redirect. Ooh, look at this. We are going to website/contact, but it's being redirecting us to contact-us. That's strange and we need to fix it because it takes a little bit of time. But then if you also go over here to waterfall, you can see exactly what takes the most time. And it's this contact us redirect, as we have seen. So we're going to fix that first. And then if we scroll down, we can see all this script being loaded in. That's all fine within 300 milliseconds. That's great. And then we scroll down and there we have it. The hero white diamond 5.jpg is already being loaded in via CDN, but as you can see, it still takes a bunch of time before the rest can load in. And that's why you get this largest contentful paint shifting, and that's not what GTmetrix likes. or the search engines or the LLMs. And if you then zoom in on the file size, I think that's the big problem. So let's convert this specific image not to a JPEG, we're going to use a next-gen format. So back to my website, I just press on quick edit and I can see the Slack is contact us, but it can also be just contact. It doesn't really matter for SEO, so I press on update. But then let's also going to fix the largest contentful paint. Here you can see my header and we're going to change this. It's inside of the container. So I go to styling, I go to my background and I'm going to upload a new file, which is the WebP format. There we go. You can see the difference. So I'm just going to press on publish. Back to Rocket Insights, I press over here on retest. With just changing two simple things in hardly a minute, Rocket Insights shows us that this page got up to a 90. Imagine what we can do when we start optimizing this website thoroughly the right way with WP Rocket. What I've been told is on the roadmap is I want to have here next to my SEO results these scores of my page speed, because that's very important for LLMs and also search engines. So these two work perfectly together. And with that integration, I also hope there's going to be a widget right here on my dashboard which shows me, hey, these are the pages you're tracking, these are the scores, we're doing fine, everything is all right. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions how they could improve or integrate Rocket Insights better within WordPress, or even different kind of plugins, or maybe some AI integration. I am very curious about your opinion. Hit that like button if you like this video and hope to see you in the next one where I optimize this complete website.